Everyone, my name is Abel Greek Antoma. Today I'm going to be taking you through this great website which I have actually discovered, Rare Housing. Okay, if you are actually a an agent, or you are actually someone who is actually looking for a house to rent, or you are looking for a land to buy, or you're looking for a house to actually buy, this website is actually the best for you. Okay, so you just search rarehousing.com, the keyword rarehousing.com on your search, on your browser. Okay, and then it brings you here. If you click on this three lines by the right hand corner, top right hand corner, you're going to find um, project, properties, agent, news, careers. Okay, so okay, let's say you're trying to trying to create an account. uh, So I have an account that is logged in here already. So I'm going to log out this. Okay, and I'll click on register a new account. So all you need to do is just to fill this form: your first name, your second name, your last name, username, email, phone number, and then your password. Okay, and then you click on register, and that is all. So I already have an account. So all I need to do is just to click, and I will log in. Okay. Okay, let me try this. So I have an account, like I said. Okay, let's see. Okay, fine, I'm here. The next thing here I will do is to click on these three lines at the top right hand corner, and then I will buy credits. Okay, so if it is the first time you're actually logging in this website, or you are actually registering with this site, all you need to do is to buy credits. But as a first time user, um, you actually have a free credit which you can actually use to upload up to 3 different projects. So all you need to do is just to click on purchase. Once you click on purchase, it will show you success, add credit successfully. So that means a credit has been added to you successfully, so you can use that credit to upload up to 3 different projects. Okay, 3 different properties, sorry. So the next thing I'll do here is to come back here, these 3 lines at the top right hand corner, and then I will click on there's something I'm looking for. Okay, write a property. So I'll click on write a property. So I will type the title of this. So let's say I'm renting out a duplex. Okay, and then I'm actually going to rent this. I'm not selling. Then I will type 4 bedroom duplex. So you just have to describe how that duplex is. Let's say it's N suite. Okay. Um, yeah. So that's it. Or I can type the address at Karji, Kaduna. Okay. Let's copy this. I want to make this video as brief as possible. Okay, so I'll select an image. So all you need to do is just to select an image. Okay, so the image you are selecting is not just going to be a random image, it's actually going to be an image of this particular project. So you can capture the uh, possibly the entrance, this living room, the toilets, the kitchen. Okay, all those photographs you can actually capture all of that, and then then you upload them. You can see this is the main entrance. I can add another image. Let's say I'll add the image of the living room. So in the same way, all you need to do is the same process. Just upload uh, all the areas that you have captured in the property. Okay, so you capture all of that. I think this is the living room. Okay, so once you do that, you can see I just uploaded just two. I just want to make this video as brief as possible. So you upload as many captures that you have on that property. Okay, you upload them here. Then the next thing, you select the city. Let's say this is Karji, Kaduna. So Karji, Kaduna, and then the property location, number 10 Madaki Avenue, Karji. The latitude and the longitude, if you know of that location, you can actually type them in here. The number of bedrooms, so I have 4 bedrooms, and then the number of bathrooms, I have up to 5. Because it's actually ensuite, so each of the bedroom has its own toilet and bathroom. So, and then we also have the visitors toilet. So I'm going to leave it as that. So here the number of floors, let's say 2. I have my ground floor and I have my first floor. And then the square meter, let's say it's actually 300 square meter, the size of that property, okay, including the parking space and all of that. And then let's say the price for renting this property is 1 million, and then the currency is actually in naira, and then the period is actually for 1 year. So every year you are renewing your rent for 1 million naira, and then renew automatically. So you will be charged again in 45 days. What this means is that after 45 days, this property is going to expire on this website. It's actually not going to be shown on this website anymore. It's going to go down automatically by itself. But if you want this to be renewed, all you need to do is just to click on this, and then when it shifts to the red column, that means it is actually automatic. So even after when it has expired for 45 days, it will still be showing again. It will renew for another 45 days again. So if you don't want this to be automatic, you turn it off. Then the facility, you select the facility that is actually very close. This is actually a landmark that is actually very, very close to that property. If you have a hospital, you have a church, you have a school that is very popular, on an airport that is very close. So all you need to do is just to select. So let's say we have a hospital, and then you can add as many facilities that you know that are very close. So I'll keep adding. Let's say I have this okay, let's say I have a railway. So all you need to do now is just to type the distance from that property to this landmark. So let's say from here to the hospital I have 1.5 kilometer. So I'll just type in, let's say I have here, I have, this is 1 kilometer. So I'll type that 1 kilometer. Here I'll type sorry, this is actually just distance. I can type 500 meters, or I can type, make it this way, that's 0.5 kilometer. So that is actually half a kilometer. So the features in that building, I have a parking, I have a swimming pool, I have Wi-Fi, I have balcony, I have a garden, I have a security room, I have an air condition. Let's say I have a laundry. Okay, so I have most of this in the building. So this is actually a YouTube video thumbnail. So if you have a YouTube channel that you have the video that you have captured of that property on your YouTube channel, you can actually paste the URL here. That is the link to that video. So whoever wants to actually rent this property can watch a video clip of that. But if you don't have, you can as well send this link to the WhatsApp channel of this website, and then they will help you upload it to the channel, and then they will send the website, then they will send the link to that particular video to you. Then you can actually paste that link here. So I'm quickly going to paste a YouTube video link here of a video here. So greatest design concept here. You can see some building here. So let's say for this, I'll just upload this. I'll copy. Then I just copied that link, and then I'll come back here and I'll go back to rare housing here, and then I'll paste it there, and that is all. So here, if I go down here, the status here is showing not available. So this is actually what is going to be displayed to whoever is coming to that site to actually look for a house or a land or an estate to rent or to buy. Whether you are buying a house, whether you are buying a land, whether you are buying an estate, or whatever you actually want to purchase, okay, on the website, you're actually going to see it here, whether it is actually still selling, whether it's still rent, whether it is rented, or is renting. So this thing on the status here, I'm going to leave it as is renting. So it's actually very much available for rent. So if it has been sold, I will leave it sold. If it has actually been if it is not available, I will change that to not available. So let's say this we are still renting is still very much available for rent. Okay, so mind you, this website you can actually upload a land. You can actually upload a land for sale. If you have a land for sale, you have a building for sale, you have um, okay, you have a building for rent, or you actually even have a land for rent, or a shop for rent, or an event center that is actually for a rent, or you are actually selling, or you have a warehouse that you actually want to rent or you want to actually sell out. Okay, so all of that, you can do all of that following the same process, just like the way I did it here on uh, the website. So yeah, if you go down here, you're going to see the category of this property is actually a duplex. So I'll click on duplex. That is actually the category. So you can see we have different category here. We have one bedroom semi-detached, we have single room self-contained, penthouse, bungalow, block of flats, wooden house, mud house, container, two-bedroom flat, and all of that. So you can go through all of that and select the particular one you want to use. And then if it's actually an estate, all you need to do is just to come under this project. But this is not an estate, so I'm going to leave this very, very, very much blank. So I'll scroll up here. I think I have uploaded everything that I needed to upload. Now here, YouTube video thumbnail. The YouTube video thumbnail is all I need to do is just to select a picture that actually shows, let's say, the picture of that particular building itself. So let's come down to here. I'm still looking for this property. So I'll select this. So this is exactly how it is. So the next thing here I will do is to click on save. So once I click on save, um, you can see the save is actually under publish. So this is actually going to be published here. So you can see this is just the one I just did just now. So number 39, it is actually published here. So if I click on this plus sign here by the left hand corner, you're going to see renting, and then moderation status is pending. Expiry date, it will be on the month of we are in March, April, May 8th of May is going to expire. Okay, on this platform, that is not actually going to be showing on this platform anymore by that time, after this date. Okay, all right, if that is correct. So that is how you actually make use of this platform. If this video is very, very, very helpful to you, just like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos.